afternoon, Rosie.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
I'm Rosie Haco, 34 years old, and I'm the sixth of the family, and I'm college graduate.
You have experience as a domestic helper,
Yes,
taking
ma'am.
care of a child, ages 3-month-old baby,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
1-year-old. Are you the only housemaid in your employer's house?
Yes, ma'am.
So how do you take care of a 3-month-old baby at the same time 1-year-old child?
First, if the newborn baby, when she is already asleep, I prepared for the 1-year-old baby for taking a bath, and then the food, and then after all, prepare the other tasks.
When you have chance of doing other household chores, what household chores can you do to help your employer?
I can cook, washing the clothes, ironing, cleaning, marketing.
Do you know how to take care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
What pets?
Dog.
Like dog?
Yes, ma'am.
Big dogs, okay. Any size? Small and small and big.
Yes, ma'am.
Car washing.
Yes, ma'am.
So how many times do you do car washing in a week?
Twice a week.
Twice a week.
Yes.
How many cars?
1 car.
How many times do you cook?
3 times a day.
3 times a week. 3 times
3
a day.
times a day.
How many times do you do laundry and ironing?
Twice a week.
Laundry and ironing.
Yes, ma'am.
So in Hong Kong, what if your employer give you a cookbook to cook Chinese food? Do you think you can follow by yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I can try.
Can you promise to finish your household chores before going out for holiday?
Yes, ma'am. I can promise.
What if your employer tell you to clean his mother's house? Are you going to obey or not?
Yes, ma'am. It's
No complaint.
no.
And any day is okay for day off.
It's okay for all.
Can you promise not to invite friends or relatives to your employer's house?
Yes, ma'am.
What if one member of your family in the Philippines got sick? What will you do?
I think I do my best to send him money.
Can you promise not to break your contract?
Yes, ma'am. I promise.
Any message for your future employer, Rosie?
Good day, ma'am, sir. I am promised to serve your family, and I am a trustworthy person, and I do my job well. Thank you, ma'am.
That's all, Rosie. Have a good day.